Hey there, Psychometricians! Welcome back to the Psychometrician. Today, we're diving into 5 famous psychological thought experiments that have shaped our understanding of the human mind. These scenarios challenge our perceptions and invite us to think deeply about behavior, morality, and cognition. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Imagine this: a runaway trolley barreling down the tracks. On the tracks ahead, 5 people are tied up and unable to move. You're standing next to a lever that can switch the trolley to a different track, where one person is tied up. Do nothing, and the trolley kills the 5 people. Pull the lever, and it kills one person. This is the trolley problem, a classic ethical dilemma introduced by philosopher Philip Foot. It forces us to question, is it right to sacrifice one person to save 5? The trolley problem isn't about finding the right answer, but exploring moral gray areas. It reminds us that ethical dilemmas are an essential part of what makes us human. Let's dive into the fascinating world of game theory with the prisoner's dilemma, a classic example that has intrigued scholars and strategists for decades. Imagine 2 criminals are arrested and thrown in separate cells, unable to communicate with each other, creating a scenario ripe for strategic decision-making. The police offer each a deal, betray the other, and go free while the other gets a 10-year sentence. This creates a high-stakes dilemma. If both stay silent, they each get a 1-year sentence, which seems like a fair outcome given their predicament. However, if both betray each other, they get 5 years each, a significantly harsher punishment. The prisoner's dilemma, popularized by mathematician Albert W. Tucker, illustrates the tension between cooperation and self-interest, a fundamental concept in game theory. It reveals how the rational choice might be to betray, even if cooperation leads to the best outcome for both parties involved. This scenario explains everything from arms races to environmental issues, showing its wide-ranging implications. The dilemma highlights the power of trust and repeated interactions, which can change the dynamics of decision-making. In fields like international relations and economics, building trust can lead to better outcomes, fostering cooperation over conflict. It reminds us that achieving cooperation can be complex but essential for long-term success and harmony in various aspects of life. Chapter 3: Schrödinger's Cat. Let's step into the quantum realm with Schrödinger's cat, a thought experiment that has puzzled and fascinated scientists for decades. Imagine a cat inside a sealed box with a device containing a radioactive atom, a scenario that seems simple yet holds profound implications. The atom has a 50-50 chance of decaying within an hour, releasing poison and killing the cat, or not decaying and leaving the cat unharmed. According to quantum mechanics, until we observe the cat, it exists in a state of superposition, both alive and dead simultaneously, a paradox that defies our everyday logic. Schrödinger's cat, proposed by physicist Erwin Schrödinger in 1935, illustrates the bizarre and counterintuitive nature of quantum mechanics. In the quantum world, particles exist in a haze of probability until measured, a concept that challenges our understanding of reality. Schrödinger's cat scales this concept to the macroscopic world, highlighting the stark difference between the quantum realm and our everyday experience, where objects have definite states. In our world, objects have definite properties regardless of observation, a certainty that quantum mechanics turns on its head. Schrödinger's cat continues to inspire new interpretations and debates within the field of physics, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. It challenges our assumptions and expands our understanding of the universe, making us question what we know. It reminds us that the universe is full of mysteries, waiting to be explored and understood, one thought experiment at a time. Chapter 4: The Ship of Theseus. Picture a grand ship, the pride of Athens, sailing the Aegean Sea. This ship, known as the Ship of Theseus, is a symbol of strength and heritage. As the years pass, its planks are replaced one by one. Each time a plank decays, it is swapped out for a new one. Over time, every single part of the ship is replaced. Not a single original piece remains. Is it still the same Ship of Theseus? Or is it a completely different ship? This question has puzzled philosophers for centuries. Imagine all the old parts are reassembled into a second ship. Now, we have two ships. Which is the real Ship of Theseus? The one with the new parts or the one with the old parts? The Ship of Theseus delves into the essence of identity. It challenges us to think about what truly defines something. Is identity about physical components or an intangible essence? What makes something or someone truly unique? Our bodies and minds change over time. We grow, we learn, we evolve. Are we still the same person we were 10 years ago? Or have we become someone entirely new? The Ship of Theseus suggests identity is about continuity and narrative. It's about the story we tell about ourselves. It encourages us to question our assumptions and embrace the complexity of identity. By doing so, we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Chapter 5. The Experience Machine. Imagine a machine that provides any experience you desire. Climb Mount Everest, compose a symphony, star in an intergalactic adventure. It's all possible. Once you plug in, you won't remember making the choice. It'll feel like real life. Would you plug in? The Experience Machine challenges our understanding of happiness. Are pleasurable experiences enough? Or is there more to life? Some would embrace endless bliss, even if simulated. Others value authenticity and struggle. The Experience Machine invites us to examine our values and ponder the nature of reality. It reminds us that the pursuit of happiness is personal and complex. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. So, there you have it. 5 famous psychological thought experiments that challenge our understanding of the mind and human behavior. These scenarios invite us to think deeply about ethics, identity, reality, and more. I hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of thought experiments. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a moment with the Psychometrician. Stay curious, Psychometricians. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful content from the Psychometrician. Stay curious and keep exploring.